Today, I'm going to walk you through everything you get with the Elite package on QuantCrawler. So, I'm not doing a big long intro. I'm literally jumping straight in to the number one thing that you get right away that a lot of people love is Ghost. Ghost is a 100% automation from a webhook or from our proprietary analysis that we do on QuantCrawler, which is how the platform initially started. When it first started, you would upload a 15-minute, 5-minute, and 1-minute chart, getting as much data as you could onto one screen into our platform. It would then do AI calls, send it back to our framework, and give you a projection based on what it's seeing with support and resistance, price action, and several other varying factors, and would say go long or go short. If you guys have been following me from the very beginning, when I built QuantCrawler, you know that I made a good amount of money doing MGC and GC during the Asia session with QuantCrawler. It's how I got my first initial 20 funded accounts on Apex, was using QuantCrawler analysis to tell me to go long or short in the Asia session, and was literally passing 3 to 5 evaluations a day until I got my 20 just using AI analysis. I have video proof of that. It's well documented. So I then took that to automate to where you can set that up in Ghost and you can come into this right here called QC Auto. Is what QC automation is when you add a ticker. So you can click this here, you can do forex, crypto, or futures, and then you can click MGC and set it up to where it will on a timer automatically analyze that for you and also automatically place the trade for you as well to any linked account. So to my knowledge, I may be wrong, correct me if I believe on this platform, the first to take AI analysis, getting all the candle data fed to AI, breaking that down, giving a direction of long or short, and then also automating it to where the trades are placed on your broker. It's completely hands free. So you get this right here with Ghost. This right now is the main draw to Ghost. You're automating AI analysis, hands off, around the clock, 23 hours a day, 5 days a week, if that's what you want to do. If that's not something you want to do, you can come over here into tickers and you can do add futures ticker and set up any ticker you want to accept an alert from TradingView off of any indicator or strategy. When that alert fires in TradingView, it sends the signal via a webhook in the settings to Ghost, and then Ghost routes it to any broker account that you have selected here, or prop firm, whatever. You can do live accounts or prop firms, it doesn't matter. You can connect them all here, and Ghost will automate when an alert fires. It hits Ghost, and then it places that order on your account. So if you're someone who works a day job, or you just can't be at the computer at New York Open because maybe it's the wrong time of day for you, you can automate that to where Ghost will take those trades on your behalf. So that's the first part of the Elite package. You get Ghost included in the Elite package. The next one is on May 3rd, 2 days ago. I'm filming this on May 5th. 2 days ago, our Trade Copier came out. Now, the Trade Copier is a manual trade copier. So when you have an account set up and you click buy on that account and it's the lead, it will send that signal to all of the follower accounts you have below it as well. This is similar to trade copiers out on the market. It's included in the Elite package, and you set the leader, then you select all the followers you want below it, and it will copy trade it. So let me show you how you set it up. You get logged in, you accept the terms of service and the disclaimer, and you click create first group. You then put in a group name. I'll put YouTube test video, and then you select your broker. You can do Tradovate, Rithmic, or Project X right now. Forex and crypto are coming this week or early next week to where you can also copy trade in those sectors as well. But I'm going to select Project X, and I'm going to select my 150K evaluation right here. Once you do that, all of your other accounts that you have synced in here will populate. So I'm going to take my funded accounts right here. Let's just say I'm going to pick all of them. I also could just click select all or deselect all, scroll all the way to the bottom and click create group. Now, when you're in here, all you have to do is turn it on. Click this button right here. And anytime this thing gets an order on this account, it's going to replicate this signal to these accounts right here. So it takes just a second to warm up, and then this clicks over and says connected once it's syncing all these accounts together in the database. And you can see right here, it's connected, and all of these are good to go at this point. So when I click to take an order on this account, it's going to sync that to all of these below, my entry, my exits, all of it. It's going to track my P&L. It's going to track everything. Now, if I wanted to individually close one of these, all I would have to do is click, like, let's say this is getting close to drawdown and this trade is running negative. I can click flatten on this one while leaving the rest running, or I can come up here and just click flatten all and it'll close everything out entirely. The other thing you can do as well within here is, let's say this one again was close to drawdown and you want to keep going on these ones, but you just want this one to wait. You can pause it for 4 hours or you can pause it indefinitely until you turn it back on, and it will ignore all trades based on the time you select right here. So this right here is the trade copier. That's also with the elite package. Now, the last piece that is exclusive to our lifetime members and elite members are QC signals. This is a new indicator that I just built and I've been testing the last 2 weeks. I've taken about $2,500 in payouts while I was testing it on my Top Step accounts. And let me show you what it looks like when it's on a chart. You can kind of see it right here, but let me show you the moves that it's calling today. I mean, it's last night in Asia session at about 2100 Eastern Standard Time. This flips to bullish, and the indicator is picking up the momentum. It's a five-confluence indicator that will give you the trend market, whether you're bearish over here or bullish. It will tell you the trend that it's seeing at the time, and then it will also give you specific buy and sell signals. So you can see right here, it triggers a buy. It's still above the smart trail right here. Another buy, another one. And I'm not going to say another one single time, but you get it. It's calling all of this momentum and movement right here. You get a strong seller push back down shortly before New York Open. This is kind of false. It kicks down, still signals it. So can't deny it because we all see it right here. Kicks it down, but then we immediately run all the way up all day long to all-time highs. So this triggered a bullish trend when the price was 27,780. Let's just round up and call it 27,800 so we can talk easy numbers. So 27.8, and it stayed bullish with buy signals all night and all day long up to all-time highs at 28,246. So it basically kept you in the bullish market, bullish trend buy signals for a 400-point increase on MNQ. Now, I know that this is an anomaly. This isn't a normal day, and I get that. But still, this indicator as an added layer of confluence while you're popping around, like if you zoom in here and you flatten this out, depending on how you're looking at your chart, this isn't all, just straight up. This is, you're still above the trend, you're still above the smart trail. You pull back a little, not enough to invalidate it, you're back up. And it's just kind of pinging you around. You are having a little bit of chop through here, but it's an added layer of confluence keeping you in there. And if you would have been following it manually, not saying you're sitting here for 18 hours at a time, but if you were, or you were this, you would have had a 400-point increase in MNQ today on between May 4th and May 5th of 2026. So that's everything that comes with the elite package on quantcrawler.com. It just rolled out on May 3rd. You get Ghost, which is full 100% automation, however you want to use it. It'll automate AI analysis, your webhooks, anything you send to it, it will automate it. You get the trade copier with unlimited everything. You could set, if you had 300 accounts, you could set them in there and copy trade all of them if you want.